so happy to receive all your comments, inyong mga reactions, like, heart, or maski
Tsara kayong answer. Ang sa ito yung buhaton kung ulan?
Happy art!
namo nga vlog. Why is mommy always angry? So siya buutan, puti. Babae ni siya, babae.
Ayaw ko ibasa!
Sprite din oh, nagini rice. Oh, mamo, nagini na-stuck din oh.
Ay, kaya nag-eat na.
Congratulations!
You will receive a PM from Cutie Pie Films kung unsay inyong reward. Thank you for answering. Bye-bye!
We're done playing in the rain. Bye. For ML! Soup.
Sige, cook ni Mami, pos.
Soup. Our eyes and pray to God, Kuya. Yummy!
Yummy! Asa dito na kung mga kauban? Where are the boys? Daddy and Abiel and Joseph. Shout out di ay to Carlo Borja. Siya gyud tudlo sa ako. Ug salamat pod Carlo Borja no, kay wala ko nimo tabangi og edit. That's why nakapaningkamot ko og edit. Thank you. How's your day? Nice. How about you, Popos?
Great.
Great. You enjoyed playing in the
Yeah.
playing in the rain. How about you, Daddy?
Fun.
Oh,
Fun having time each other.
and playing in the rain also?
Yes.
Okay. So, rain, ang sa inyong ma-feel?
Guay!
What?
Yeah.
Great. Ikaw, Kuya, ang sa inyong ma-feel? Cold. Uy, si Kuya no feel cold because
Sa'yo
Enjoy and fun.
Oh, you see?
Enjoy and fun.
Enjoy. You see, master kasi daddy mag-talk of English. Yeah. Okay, Popos, what can you say about this day?
What?
What can you say about this day?
The rain is so cold and
Louder your voice again. The rain is so
cold and it's so fun.
fun playing in the rain.
Yes, and the water gun is so good.
Na mag-do me some things, activities together as a family. So, isa ni sa among bonding moments. Okay, so thank you everyone. Don't forget to like
And subscribe!